Let's go into that. Let's go into that danger zone joint right there. Yeah. That joint is like mixtape. That's like one of our mixtape bands right there. That me and JBX put together. You know what I'm saying? I'm a black rolling stone. I'm a black rolling stone. I'm a black rolling stone.
Just closing up shop.
Yeah.
I was stuck on the grind.
Yeah, we grinding. What's up, baby? I just finished. I'm packing up right now. I'll be there in a minute, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna pick up a little bottle. You know I got that kush on deck, everything on deck. You feel me? Oh yeah, you can holler at me on that too, you feel me? Yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Shorty in the danger zone, I'ma take her home. Her kitty purr, I'ma make her moan. GG Kush, like Patron. Shorty in the danger zone, I'ma make it home. I'ma beat that pussy like I hate it though. But she love it though, the way I f***ing slow. She told me, that's slow. She told me, slow. Popping out the brand new Lex, the brand new checks. Hand on the thighs, sucking on the breast. Feeling on the tongue, cause she feeling so wet. We both in heaven when she riding in. She wanna be right, I'm just sliding in. Back on the stones, I'm feeling it. Danger zone, got me doing things I never did. Danger zone, dangerous. Shout out, we keeping it clean. Real hip hop, you heard? The BX, what's really? Danger zone. That so fat, you know I'm so hard. Girl say no, she over the mojo. She can't tell by my RBRs. I'm a mega star, he's on the fancy cars. I'm a rich for heart. She the hook like a hoe, I ain't got no heart. Still girl a queen that plays a part. Then girl the queen, then fade the guard. Married to the shrine, gotta make you a star. Baby is a freak, I'm loving life. What can I say? Roll the dice. Girl, I ain't here to play like a butch, I slay. Treat you a match, I'm loving your taste. When we do, I'm loving your face. She come back with ease on another day. Danger zone. This single's out right now, the video's out on YouTube. This is a banger, yo. You can't tell me this can't take you to the top. This shit better than everything on Hot 97. Huh? Let's get it. Ooh. Yeah, I'm big on the law of attraction. I'm big on energy. I'm big on the energy that you're giving out. You know what I'm saying? As a man, think of it shall be. You know what I mean? I'm all about the positive vibes, you dig? That's what it's all about. Everybody maintain, man. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, man.
That's
holding
right,
it down
baby.
out there. You know what I'm saying? It's just a war going on outside. No man is safe from. Right? That's right. Let's go into Black Girl Magic. And I got my girl Gugu here. She want to come up on that one too. Cause this is dedicated to her, you know what I'm saying? For the Black Queen. This is another single right here I did, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
That's right, baby.
This girl right here is smart, she's amazing, she's everything, you know what I'm saying? She's like a female version of me, you dig? Really on the grind, everything, so we had to put it together, make a real big package, you dig? Black, rolling, stone. Number one. Black girl magic, got the power within. Your aura resonates, see you shining within. Love your curves on your surface, a diamond within. You build and destroy, it's like you mining within. Black girl, you know you got that magic, huh? You know you got that magic, black girl. You know you got that magic, what? You know you got that magic, black girl magic, you got the power within. Her aura just live shine within. Love your curves and your surface, a power within. She build and destroy, you like you mining within, huh? She like my crypto. She an asset, far from a bitch though, and her asset. So you on point, with a passing. Respect the talk, we ain't passion. Respect the walk, loving the fashion. She bang with A, with without the rapping. Support the vision, now that's her best friend. Thick thighs, save lives, so you know swimming in it like a great wide. Pocket John B or the Barry wide. Either way, like switches going down tonight. Vibe so low, you make you wanna do life. Black girl magic, got the power within. Your aura resonates, see you shine within. Love your curves and your surface, the diamond within. You build and destroy, it's like you mining within. Black girl, you know you got that magic, huh? You know you got that magic, black girl. You know you got that magic. You know you got that magic, black girl magic. You got the power within. Your aura resonates, see you shining within. Love your curves and your surface, a diamond within. You build and destroy, it's like I'm mining within. That's not living mine, it's up to you to choose life. Tap into that magic, it's nothing you can do right. Something like a coach, the way I help you move right. And when we up in the stool, we get that move right. We get that tune right. Love me a love like I love you too, man. Happy Mother's Day, cause every day's Mother's Day. Call it get good when the mothers pray. Never tell a kid in the mother's way. Black girl magic, ain't no other way. We will bring it together to be a better day. Don't sell yourself short, it's a better way. See, I take the game like an ace of spades, so it's no way we can ever fail today. Get your coins, stack your bread done. Don't forget the bread. I know you spiritual, I know you conscious. You a queen, hate when they call you a bitch. Knowledge yourself and you owning it. So natural and your body's a check. I peeped from your brain, you was classy with it. When I looked in your eyes, it was magic in there. I looked in your eyes, it was magic in there. Magic. Ooh. Black girl, magic. That's that magic, man.
I like that one.
I love that one.
I love that.
I love that one.
I love that.
Magic, girl, magic. Everything you dream of, you go out there and have it. Diamond within, shining within. Hey, black girl, black girl. A diamond within.
I love that one.
Okay. Let them know who you be, man. My holy water, Megastar holy water before I get on stage, man. This shit better than Powerade, Poland Springs, Aquafina, all combined. It's purified. It takes away all the debris in the water that's in there. It's like the high percentage is like 97%. You know? So let's remember me. Don't cry to me. These are tribal scars, daily struggle, pain and pause. Feel the struggle, Being born, never wait, you down doors. Never dropped on me a whole new vibe, son. Pain for the cause, burning the cloud with them. There's an automatic suicide, son. These are tribal scars, daily struggle, pain and pause. Feel the struggle, that we endure. Never wait, nah, kick down them doors. Never wait, nah, kick down them doors. What? Never wait, nah, kick down them doors. We a whole new tribe, son. Larger than impressive, never harder than begging. Got a part in my session, the way I'm harder than impressive. Learn the charges and lessons. The battle makes it great, but blessings is greater. Yeah. Train people in. What Picasso, native and I got soul. Got a swerve on a pothole. Their sisters was narcos, Pacific Coast, bear ships, trucks or boats. Only relatives that could get that close. That's about what my family quotes. Panama, Colombia, Mexicano, yo, let's make a toast. Third eye open, success not an option. We getting it going, cause the people are copping. Living in the moment, the love is just hoping. You never fake, yeah, I was chosen. This is God's gift, I'm just claiming. These are tribal scars, with any struggle, pain and cause. Feel the struggle, that we endure. Never hate, hate down the doors. Never drop, son. Bang for the cause. When you fly with them, that's the automatic death. Suicide, son. These are tribal scars, daily struggle, pain and cause. Feel the struggle, that we endure. Never wait, nah, kick down the doors. Never wait, nah, kick down the doors. Never wait, nah, kick down the doors.
Never wait, nah,
kick down the doors. Infrared Beretta. What up here? Infrared Beretta. Yo. Forget Keith Richards and Mick Jagger, nothing but sick rappers. Your black life, white life, when I spit matters. We drive closer, don't be surprised as T with Damper. Let me see, Beretta, let me see you acting up the jealousy, cause of Hennessy. World record overkill, I be in the Guinness speed. Such and such, let me see. Live this, I really wish I would have bring the chips. It's really so ridiculous. You were sitting at the table, how can you sit with us? Same thing, stars are down bars and it's not bars. We are MC, y'all press that we are blessed. Nigga, please, y'all blessed for a fact. You don't get the something, make the G's upset. The sounds will come through. No regret for your soul. No regret for your soul. Someone call us a call. So unbelievable with a grip lost for all. Hey, yo. Beretta. It's on the tribe. Hey, Thugger. Where you at, son? Black Rolling Stones. The industry, Hitman, Infrared Beretta. Yup.
Let's go, baby. Shout out to the whole A-Thug movement.
No feed jams. Yup.
Mega Store.
Hey, not to be fronting or anything like that. This is my first show. You know what I'm saying? First time performing and everything like that.
Put it up.
I go by the rap name Rhythm Red. My Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram, Infrared Machiavelli the Don, 1995. Google me on YouTube, Rhythm Red, that's RHYTHMRED. You can also find me on Facebook as well.
Let's go, baby. Good work.
This song right here is fire, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's called HNIC. You know what I'm saying? I'm the head, in charge, you dig? The capo, the shot calling all that, you feel me? But I'm fair, you know what I'm saying? I want my whole tribe to eat, you know what I'm saying? For real. But it's hard coming out of the mud, you know what I'm saying? You know how it is. But we gonna make it, we gonna persevere, you know? Everybody that stick with it, guarantee they gonna get it, man. We gonna all be bosses at the end of the day. Yo, get that camera to him, shorty. All right, let's get into that, let's go.
Some of us
Come on up.
really put our will into
Yeah.
this. Put our will in the people, you know what I'm saying? On the lines to bring you that absolute truth. So let's not forget the fallen soldiers, the warriors, and some of those that lost their life for this.
I'm something they can't touch, I'm something they can't see. Let's connect the dots, that's ABC. Manifest what you want, that's 1, 2, 3. You're now tuned with the HNIC. You are now tuned with the HNIC. I'm something they can't touch, I'm something they can't see. Let's connect the dots, that's ABC. Manifest what you want, that's 1, 2, 3. You are now tuned with the HNIC. You are now tuned with the HNIC. Coming straight out the mud, NYC. Since the voice of God invested in me. Right goes so hard, it's a blessing to see. Not just no rap shit, it's a blessing to G. Jumping in gems, don't let it go over your head. I change your head, it ain't all about bread. I just follow the lead like the song was said. God is plenty, this mama made my bed. Plus I got two brothers that'll fill you with lead. Plus I learned from my other sisters not to leave a grand witness. Came a little way from the billion and the blend business. Used to be stuck in my ways, man. Now I switched to fitness. So it's a feeling to know who you are, know who you is. Focus on the positive, handle your biz. Fucking playing, stay out of stand on this shit. Watch how you blow my IG and think it can't happen. I'm something they can't touch, I'm something they can't see. Let's connect the dots, that's ABC. Manifest what you want, that's 1, 2, 3. You are down to it, the HNIC. You are down to it, the HNIC. I'm something they can't touch, I'm something they can't see. Let's connect the dots, that's ABC. Manifest what you want, that's 1, 2, 3. You are down to it, the HNIC. You are down to it, the HNIC. Megastar. Tranquility. I don't force that there. Pause. I put the course right there. I blow the way I fix that there. Run down with the magic. I'm talking there. 9 out of 10. You don't have your chance. Mine's main man. Come and find your friend. Tell the truth. Ain't no money that can sign my pen. Wealthy, I'm like the richest man. Remember I told you, I put it on for this. Why you think life is on some fortune shit? You ain't see the big picture like some tourist shit. I'm Big L reincarnated. All around on the way, side paper. Black roller stove lens. See the skyscraper? Let's get it. I'm something they can't touch, I'm something they can't see. Let's connect the dots, that's
ABC, manifest what you want, that's what you see. You are now doing the H and I C. You are now doing
The H and I C.
I'm something they can't touch, I'm something they can't beat. Let's get at the top, that's ABC. Manifest what you want, that's what you see. You are now doing
The H and I C.
You are now doing
The H and I C.
Black Rolling Stone. Shout out to my young guy right here, man. My young gunner, my young megastar. Man, I appreciate y'all. Thanks for having me.
Give it up for A Thug, ladies and gentlemen.
Megastar.